So welcome to my YouTube channel. Once again, I am back with an interesting question today. So in this question, it is given that AP, AQ and BC are tangents to the circle shown. Measure of AB is 5 centimeter, AC is 6 centimeter and BC is 4 centimeter. We are asked to find the length of AP. That means this distance AP. And AP can be written as it is made up of two parts, AB plus BP. So we can write AB plus BP. AB is already known to us, that is 5 centimeter plus BP. So BP is not given, so let us assume this distance BP as x. So this will be equal to x. Now let us talk about a theorem related to tangent of a circle. So if we have a circle and any external point, so from this external point, two tangents can be drawn to the circle. These are points of contact. Then this theorem says that these two lengths are equal. So let us apply this theorem in our problem. So if we see point B is the external point and BP and BT will be equal. So this distance BT will also be x. Likewise, let us apply this theorem taking point C as the external point. So length CQ will be equal to CT. So let us assume CQ as y. So CT will also be equal to y. And finally, let us apply this theorem taking A as the external point. So from here we will get AP is equal to AQ. So we can write AP is equal to AQ. So AP we just found, it is 5 plus x. And what will be AQ? This distance AQ will be 6 plus y. So from here we can get a relationship between x and y. So we will get x minus y equals 6 minus 5, that is 1. So this is the relationship between x and y. So let us name it as the first equation. Now if we focus on the length BC, BC is 4 centimeter, it is given to us, and BC is made up of two parts, x and y. So we can write x plus y equal to 4. So let this be equation number 2. Now we will solve these two equations in order to find the value of x. So for that, x minus y equal to 1 and x plus y equal to 4 is given. So if we add them, y will vanish and 2x will be equal to 5. So from here, x will be 5 over 2, that is 2.5 centimeter. Now we were asked to find the value of AP. So AP was equal to 5 plus x. So we can write 5 plus 2.5. So AP will be equal to 7.5 centimeter. This will be the answer. If you want to get more such videos, do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.